Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Today we're just going to talk a little bit about We Buy Homes and what we offer people wanting to sell their earthquake damaged property. Okay, so the first thing is fair market value. Now we offer fair market value, and how we work this out is we look at comparative sales of property in the area that have recently sold to see what the property is worth when it's all repaired and fixed up. We then take off what it's going to cost to fix that. We also then take off a contingency and of course a profit margin. Then we come to a figure, and that's our offer to you. There's no fees when you sell to us, unlike if you take to market. There's no open home, so you don't have to worry about people traipsing through your property for several weeks. We make the whole process very simple. We'll come and take a look at the property. We'll take some photos, we'll look at any reports that you've got. We'll come back to you within 2 to 3 days with an offer on your property. Very flexible with settlement and possession. So if you're ready to go, you've got another place to go to, we can make settlement and possession short. But if you're looking for another place to live, we can help you with that process as well, as part of helping you into your next property. So we can connect you with the right people, such as buyers agents and other people, to help connect you with the types of property that you're looking for. And we can have a flexible settlement and possession arrangement based on when you find that property. We want to work with you to make it work for you. Okay, so that's a little bit about what We Buy Homes offers. If you want an appraisal on your earthquake damaged property, give us a call on 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout.